Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. So for better practice, take a screenshot of this and start drawing alongside me so that you guys can learn as much as you can. So without further delay, let's start this video and let's learn something new. So we will start this drawing from the upper circle of diameter 40 units. So let's start. So we are going to select circle using center and diameter, then specify center as origin and specify diameter as 40 units and then press enter. After that, we are going to zoom in using the roller button of the mouse to the required level. Now we are going to again use another circle of diameter 60 and after that another one of diameter 16. Okay, so first we are going to use the diameter 60. Now after that, the next circle that we are going to draw is using the same circle center diameter, and this time the diameter should be 16 units and then press enter. Now in order to make this drawing quickly, I'm going to use a new command that is X line. So X line or construction line is a line that is of infinite length on both sides. Basically you need to specify a point through which this line passes and angle. Okay, so I'm just drawing an X line along X-axis and Y-axis. Now we are going to trim the non-required portion so that we do not create a clutter. Done. Now this one, the lower line, we need it. Now after that, we need to draw a circle that is basically having this as the center, and diameter of this circle is 10 units. So again select circle using center and diameter. Then select this as center and specify diameter as 10 units. Now we need to create a polar array. Okay, basically we want to draw 6 circles starting from here all the way till here. So let's click on polar array and then specify this point as the center point. Now you will see that this fill that we have seen here, we have got 6 units, but the thing is we need only 5. This is the first thing. Then second thing is we need to arrange these 5 circles in 180 degrees only. So first of all, we are going to change the items to 5 and then fill to 180 degree and it's done. So this is how we can create the upper set of circles. The next thing that we need to do is we need to move 50 and 37 units downwards. So this line I'm going to delete it. Select a line, start from this point, and we need to move 50 units downwards. So at the rate, we are going to use relative polar coordinates. So first of all, we need at the rate 50 less than minus 90. So this is the first segment. Again at the rate 37 less than minus 90. So basically these two segments were needed that we have created. Now after that, what I'm going to do is on this 50 segment, basically I'll be drawing an arc. I can draw an arc of 30 radius, or I can use another way, that is using center diameter and specifying this point. Just take a look. This uh, point that we are seeing here, this is the midpoint of 37 line because we are seeing a triangle here. But take a look at this one. This is square. So this is the end point of one line. So this is the identification, 30 and enter. Now this is the circle that we needed. After that, what we need is we need another circle of 32 diameter on this particular section. So use the same command, specify this point as center and diameter as 32 and then press enter. And from the center of the upper circle, we need to draw 2 more circles of diameter 74. So specify the same center and specify diameter as 74 and then enter. Next circle that we need, now this time we need radius 48. So same center and specify radius as 48 and then press enter. Now we have got an outline of this particular drawing. We need another portion, that is another construction line in this side so that we can trim the non-required portion. So let's use trim command, then remove these points that are there. After that, we need to remove these sections as well. So this, and this. After that, we are going to remove them as well. Now, lower portion we have almost created. Instead of using trim on these two, I'm going to select and delete them because it will be an easier method. Okay. Now, what we have done till this point, we are left with only 2-3 things that we need to trim. So we need to trim this one, this portion, as well as we need to trim this one. Okay. Now these lines, this construction line, we are going to select and delete it. So we can simply press delete. Now this circle that we are seeing here, we need this one for dimensioning. So I'm going to change its color to, let's say, a light color. So this is it. Now what we need is we need to start line, select line, start from this point and join it with this one and press enter. Right click and repeat, start it from this point and join it to this point, and it's done. Enter. After that, the next is we need to start a line, start from this one, and we need to join it at tangent. Now, not at the end point, we are joining it at tangent. After that, the next one is start this line from this one and join it at tangent. So that's it. Press enter. So I hope everything is clear now, and we are going to delete all the non-required portions. On this line, I'm going to shift it to a different layer, and I'm going to make it disappear for filling hatch. Now we need two more sections, starting from here to here. Press enter, right click, repeat line, start it from this point and draw it to this point, and it's done. Now we need to specify the dimensions. So let's specify linear dimensions first. Now we need linear dimensions starting from this to this. Right click, repeat. We need another dimension starting from this point all the way to this, and we are going to place it here. After that, let's see. Now this value that we are seeing here, this is a little bit different. So okay, this was 11. So we don't need this one actually. We need only radiuses or diameters. So select diameter, specify the diameter of this one, right click and repeat. Diameter of this one, right click and repeat. Then diameter of this one, right click and repeat. Diameter of this particular circle, then this circle. After that, this circle, then this smaller circle. So these are all the diameters. Now we need to trim this circle as well. So this is the portion that we don't need. So I hope the drawing is complete, and now we are going to fill hatch in order to complete this drawing. So select hatch, then we need to specify the gradient. We can use any gradient that we want and click inside this portion and click on close hatch creation. Now for lower portion, we are going to use a different gradient. Let's blue color instead of solid, use gradient. And fill this one. So click on close hatch creation. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys have learned something new. Thank you very much and have a nice day.